extreme prejudice. It's a good thing we're out of range, Juanita. We are out of range, aren't we?
You are now the highest ranked contestant in Dread Zone history.
Travel to the Ghost Station battle course is now open. I cannot believe this, folks! We are live from some blarg awful station out in the middle of nowhere. Ratchet and Clank, aka Team Darkstar, have conquered 9 planets, survived hundreds of arena battles, and even defeated Dread Zone's grand champion, Ace Heartlight. Who would have ever imagined this? Now, in a drastic and downright vindictive move, Gleeman Vox has sent Team Darkstar to the Ghost Station. The course is unbeatable, unbearable, unthinkable, and I'm having an aneurysm just talking about it!
Do not worry, Ratchet. I will make sure you get out alive. My nav grid shows an abandoned supply ship on the other side of the station. There is a grind rail nearby that will take you to the station's core. I will give you more information when you get there.
Just a reminder, tomorrow is Kick Your Best Friend in the Pants Day. Free popcorn for everyone who participates. this is going to end with Ratchet splattered halfway from here to Florano. Why don't we skip it and head back to my condo for a cocktail and a dip in the jacuzzi?
No, I prefer to stay here where the real action is.
They won't know what hit. Ha ha! Yeah, they will.
Got a man down, sir!
Thought you'd never ask.
Ratchet, run!
Okay.
Whoa! This announcer is impressed.